Welcome. And in today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to enable message previews for private chats on Telegram. If you've ever received a message and wanted to see a quick preview without opening the app, this feature is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon. On most devices, this appears as 3 horizontal lines in the top corner, or you may see your profile icon instead. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. This is where Telegram gives you full control over your app experience, including notifications and privacy options. Inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section lets you customize how Telegram alerts you when messages come in, whether it's through sounds, vibrations, or on-screen notifications. Now, look for the option labeled Private Chats and tap on it. This area is specifically for managing notifications related to your one-on-one conversations. Here's the key step. Find the toggle labeled Show Message Previews. If it's turned off, you won't see the content of messages in your notifications. Simply tap the toggle to turn it on. Once enabled, Telegram will start displaying message previews directly in your notifications, so you can quickly read incoming messages without opening the app. And that's it. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference in how you stay connected and manage your messages throughout the day. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick tips like this to get the most out of your apps.